Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Feel at home. Remember to subscribe and like my videos. Today I'm teaching you about sweet potatoes. These are the leaves. I wish I could get the roots. The roots is what we eat. They are root tubers. So these are what we plant for breakfast. These are young avocado tree. You see it? It's a young avocado tree, but the rest are sweet potatoes. So today I'm in gumboots because in the farm you have to protect your legs from pricking or from soil. Yeah, this is the sweet potato. Okay, these are the sweet potato leaves, and they are not edible. The leaves are not edible to humans, but they are edible to. Okay, you can eat them, but they don't have a really a good taste. So you can consider eating the roots. The roots, I said these are root tuber. Yeah. The next thing I'm going to tell you how we catch those ground. How do we call them? Those things in the ground that eat roots. This is how you catch them. These are a tree, a young tree that we cut. So you'll put one here, one end here, all the way, and put the other end here. This is the end. Okay. So this is the end. You adjust itself to something that is movable. So in this case, we use this. So I don't know. I don't know what happens, but I don't know. But I know all I know that is used to catch those things that eat roots. If I ask and I'm told more about it, I'll let you know. This grass for the cows, as I had told you, and these are young maize. These are young corns. Corns is used to make maize flour, cook porridge when it really matures. But they're in the middle stage now. I think they were just planted like maybe 2 months ago or less than 2 months. Yeah, so they are not yet mature. Alafu, I can show you the view from here. Look how serene the environment is. You hear the sounds of the birds. Very nice. Dream life. Yeah. So these are the maize. That is the avocado tree. These banana leaves. Those are, I think they're called eucalyptus trees. They are a bit a school of eucalyptus trees. This is the guava tree. So you can learn to differentiate them through the types of leaves that they are. Banana leaves, avocado again, together with banana leaves. I think you have learned something. From my previous video, I said that this is what? Rosemary. Yeah. Today I don't have much to tell you. I don't have much to say. But all I can say is I just came to eat the guavas. That's all I can tell you. Those who need them and are around my village, ask me to bring you some. So I'm going to take some few. Guys, can I tell you a story? I'm a young YouTuber. In fact, show me love. I started officially today. That's the sound of a cock, a male chicken. So if you're tired of greens in the village, you cook cock or you cook hen. So I'm a young YouTuber. I decided to do village vlogs first. Yeah, because that is what I can afford for now. Then, if you want me to choose another content, you can advise me so that I can measure on it. Okay? Yeah. Like anything that you will wish me to feature you in, or how you can advise me. Me, I take a good advices, so long as you don't become abusive or something. We help each other grow. This life is a journey. The guavas, are so many. Let me put some in my pocket. How do you see village life back in Africa? So I'm going to take a video and do it as a short, show you about these guavas, and I'll pin the benefits of each so that you get easier time. So you go check my shorts. I'll do a video about guava. I'll do a video about pumpkin. I'll do a video about loquat. Did I tell you something about a loquat? I think I did on the previous video. I'll tell you something about a loquat, guava, pumpkin, rosemary, and their benefits. So you can start with short and come to videos of videos, then you go to short. Yeah, I promise to do that before the day ends. I'm still picking more. I think now they're enough. 10 for the day are enough. Then I'll come for some lunch hours or evening. So these are the leaves. And I had something that I want to share with you about the guava. I think it's true, but many people take it like tend to ignore them. Like you see those people who want to make babies. If you want to be more fertile as a lady, these are the things that you should boil. Guava leaves. This is how they look. So you take the young leaves like this one, the leaves, they have reproductive benefits. So you go boil and drink. Boil drink. I don't know how long that you'll be taking it, but it will make you more fertile. And there's a thing that I'll tell you that will adds fertility in a woman, especially for those who don't want menopause to hit them. I'll show you a certain thing. It's called. I'll go and Google the English name. I don't want to tell you in my native language because you won't understand. Yeah. So our guavas are the type that is white. Or there's a type that is red. I'm not sure, but let me pass around and see if this type B or the other guava is red. Let me bite it. Yeah, it's color red. So there's this type that is color white, red, and this color white, and both of them are ripe. Wow. Let me post them so that you can see them. The other one is red, and the other one is white. Wow. So we have two guavas, two different colors. So if you don't feel like eating the white one, you can eat the red one. This is pepper grass. Napier grass for sheep, cows, and goats. If you want to join me in YouTubing, you can reach me. You can comment, then I pin you my email so that you can reach me. Oh, I just found maize that this is stage 2 of maize. Where you see this, these are their flower. So they'll grow to be big maize. See you guys in the next video where I'll tell you about hibiscus, yeah, and more. Okay, stay tuned and watch part by part. When you wake up, usually check if I uploaded a new episode, yeah, so that you can be watching. So these videos are a bit addictive, and they are addictive in a way that because they are educational, so you might be asking yourself, what has she uploaded today? What is it about? What can I learn from that video? Purely educative, raw and uncut. So let me go and make you a video of hibiscus. See you guys in the next video.